to the Zesty Days. I'm Lily here. We're going to do a very, very fun experiment. And we're going to collect all different kinds of nature. So, that's how it works. My name is Ary, and we are going to find stuff all around here. And then we're going to walk. Okay, now let's go. Get some water, and then we can make a potion. At the very end, we're going to get water from the hose over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go find nature. Let's go.
Yeah.
So first, we need grass. Here's some grass. Let's get some. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at these moss. We also... Yeah.
This is cotton from the cotton trees.
Yeah, grass. We also need cotton.
All right, let's get some. Put it in your bucket.
Ary, you get pollen, I get...
That's enough. That's good. You got a good handful.
What pollen? Oh, this. Or the white stuff or pollen?
All right, put in your bowl. Come on, Ary. Hi, sweetie. Do you think they're crazy, sweetie? Yeah, they're nuts, but it's okay.
Sweet, come back here.
Good luck with your experiment.
You like that?
Yeah.
Now we need
every
rocks.
day.
Rocks.
Every day. Yeah.
Oh, sweet, box. Ary, you get the rocks, I get the dirt. Let's get some dirt, guys.
We lost Ary.
Let's get some dirt.
And
I got a giant rock. Here, let
oh
me
my
roll
goodness,
over
watch
here.
out. That's as big as your head. It could crush you. How about you put that one down and find some smaller rocks that'll fit in the bowl better?
I got some rocks. Wait a minute. Hey, Mom. Oh, here. I found a tiny rock. Here you go. I found a tiny rock.
Much better. Put it in the bowl.
Okay. Yeah, we need a little more rocks and dirt. I found one now.
All right, we got some rocks. So what's next, guys?
Oh! We need leaves.
All right, let's head
I'm
down.
on leaf duty. Ary
Whoa.
and I got the leaves. And Ary.
Wonder if we'll find any leaves over here.
Look at all these leaves. There's so much. Let's get some. I said be careful.
Whoa, look at this big plant. This one's called rhubarb.
Yeah,
You can use the big, thick stems for pie, but don't eat the leaves.
Yeah,
They can make you kind of sick.
yeah. And we don't want to get sick.
No
We don't wanna
siree,
have
bop.
Corona. Yeah.
I don't think the leaves will give you COVID.
Big giant. Oh my! Look at this big.
Nice
Let
one.
me split it. Quick! Helka!
You gotta break it into smaller pieces and get it in our bowl.
Hey! It's sweet! Okay, do it done. We're all done. So now, let's find some of these flowers to put in. But be careful for bees. Oh, and guys,
Okay.
bees?
Yep, go ahead.
Come on,
You putting some buttercups in there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my
cute.
gosh, we're not gonna open this one because that one.
Oh, it's not quite ready yet.
Yeah, this looks so cute.
Hey there, Ary.
We're getting some buttercups. These flowers.
Well, there's some dandelions behind me.
Dandelion.
All the way over here. Some dandelions. Get a couple of those. Ah! They're squishy.
Dandelions. I found a giant big one.
There we go.
That's it.
All right, looks like we're good. If we wait a few more weeks or a month, maybe we'll get some blueberries, but not yet.
Wait, the blueberries aren't here?
Not yet. So is it time to add water?
Yeah.
Let's go, kids.
Let's go, guys. Hi, guys.
All right, so we got Lily over there ready to turn the water on. Ary, hold it really steady. And we'll say stop when it's time to turn it off. Oh, too much, Lily. There, that's good. Get ready to turn it off. A little more. A little more. A little more. Whoa! Okay, that's enough. Turn it all the way off. Good job. Okay.
Whoa.
So now Lily's got her big stick so we can stir our experiment.
Now let's stir it. Yeah, that was so much fun.
Whoa.
Mix. Let's agitate.
Agitate. Agitate.
Yeah, all the time. Sing and do it first.
Agitating is fun. Can I do it now?
Okay, Ary's turn to agitate.
Agitating is fun.
Good job. Good trade-off, ladies.
Here is the agitating song. Here is the
Oh
agitating
yeah,
song.
oh yeah, oh yeah,
Let's go
oh
faster.
yeah, oh
Here
yeah,
is the
oh yeah.
Wow, this is a beautiful experiment. Not gross at all.
Okay.
So, Lily, what are we supposed to do with this experiment after we mix it all up?
Okay, let me do the rest.
What's it supposed to do at the end?
I was all the time.
Yeah. So now what? Now we pour it over in the grass and the dirt over there, and we see if it grows in like a week.
Wait. Yeah.
All right, so we found some flowers and we're putting them in. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You got a pink flower to put in there?
Okay.
All right, maybe one more pink flower. Ary's on it.
We need a little bit more.
Sweetie is starting to get very, very curious.
We need a little bit more water.
We do. You want to drop it?
I'm playing.
That's up.
We're almost done. We just need to mix it a
No, I smashed
little bit more.
Got
Mix and mix. This is the agitation. This is the agitation. This is.
All right, how's it look, Lily?
Now we use our hands. Now we made some. This is how you make nature's super April Fool's Day. But instead of soup, let's just pour it out and see how it looks.
That'd be a good joke for April Fool's
Yeah.
Day. Serve it to your mom and dad and say, April Fools.
Okay, let's
Ready to dump it? 1, 2, 3. A rock. I think Sweetie likes
Ew, Ary, that's a puddle now.
it. Well, thanks for joining us today, guys.
Hope you have a zesty day.
Bye, guys.
See you in the next Zesty Day video. Bye, friends. Bye.